In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Cash App to SoFi in 2025. This guide will walk you through the process step by step so that you can seamlessly transfer your funds with confidence. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or simply consolidating your finances, moving your money from Cash App to SoFi is straightforward. Let's dive into the details. First, it's helpful to understand that when you're moving funds between apps like Cash App and SoFi, there is a distinction between transferring cash and transferring investment assets such as stocks. What we're focusing on today is the movement of cash from your Cash App balance to a SoFi account, not stocks or other assets you might hold in either app. This is particularly crucial as it prepares you for a fast, hassle-free transfer. To kick off the process, you'll begin by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. If this app isn't already downloaded, you can install it from your app store. Once you're in, ensure that you're signed into your account. Being in the right account is important as you wouldn't want to accidentally transfer from the wrong source. Next, locate the balance tab within Cash App. It's usually represented by a dollar symbol located on the home screen. After clicking on this, look for the option to cash out your balance. It's important here to decide exactly how much money you want to transfer to SoFi. Type in the amount that you wish to move. If you're unsure how much to transfer, consider your immediate needs and how much flexibility you require in your SoFi account. Moving forward, Cash App will prompt you to choose the deposit speed. You'll notice two major options: instant or standard. While the instant option transfers your funds for a small fee almost immediately, the standard transfer is free and can take up to 1 to 3 business days. Decide which option best suits your needs, based in part on how quickly you need the funds to appear in your SoFi account. Once you've made that decision, you'll need to confirm the transaction by linking your SoFi bank account details if you haven't already done this in the past. Follow the prompts to enter your bank information. This will typically include your SoFi account number and routing number. Double-check to ensure all your details are correct to avoid any transfer delays. After verifying your information, confirm the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation notification from Cash App, and depending on the deposit speed chosen, the funds will appear in your SoFi account either immediately or within a couple of days. And that's it. You've successfully moved your funds from Cash App to SoFi. Through understanding this process and following these steps, you've enhanced your ability to manage your finances across different platforms effortlessly. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, both Cash App and SoFi offer comprehensive customer service and support to help you out. Thank you for watching and happy transferring.